Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 11i and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all we have to enter the camera app and here in this model, in this device, it does not really matter on which mode you will be, so you can be on the photo, video mode, portrait mode, whatever. All of the settings which are connected with the video or the photo are in the same place. So let's enter the settings which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see here we've got some photo settings, video settings and general. So let's swipe to the general and find the timer. As you can see we've got 4 different options, so the off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. If you want to set the timer, pick option and tap on it. So let me pick 10 seconds. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that whenever right now I will touch the shutter button, my device will count down from 10, or in your case 5, 3, whichever option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. So of course you can set the 10, 3 or 5 seconds delay, and of course you can also turn it off just by picking off option, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your HUAWEI Nova 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.